Tangadan Falls is truly a hidden gem in La Union, Philippines. As I trek through the lush mountains of San Gabriel, the anticipation builds. The sound of rushing water grows louder, and then, there it is, this breathtaking two-tiered cascade. The first tier invites you to take a refreshing dip, while the second tier offers a thrilling jump for the adventurous at heart. The vibrant greenery surrounding the falls creates a stunning backdrop, making it a perfect spot for photos. Whether you're swimming, cliff diving, or simply soaking in the beauty, Tangadan Falls is an unforgettable experience that connects you with nature in the most exhilarating way. The trek to the falls is an adventure like no other. Picture this, a 45-minute to 1-hour journey through stunning trails that weave through lush bamboo forests. Each step brings the sound of rustling leaves and the gentle whisper of the wind. As I navigate the winding paths, I can feel the excitement building. The thrill of crossing crystal-clear rivers adds a splash of adventure, balancing the serene beauty around me. The vibrant colors of nature surround me, and the fresh scent of earth fills the air. Every moment is a reminder of how incredible the outdoors can be. Reaching the falls at the end of this trek is not just a destination, it's a celebration of the journey itself. There's something magical about natural pools, especially when they're fed by cascading waterfalls. Picture this, a deep basin, the water so clear you can see the pebbles below, inviting you in. It's the perfect spot for a refreshing swim on a hot day. The thrill of cliff jumping adds an adrenaline rush as you leap into the cool embrace of nature. And if you're looking for tranquility, just float on your back, letting the gentle sounds of the falls wash over you. It's not just about swimming, it's about reconnecting with nature, feeling the cool water against your skin, and soaking in the beauty all around. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, these natural pools offer an unforgettable experience that rejuvenates the spirit. Standing here, I'm completely captivated by the stunning rock formations that rise majestically around me. Each jagged peak tells a story of ancient geological forces, sculpted over millennia. The vibrant greenery that blankets the landscape adds a rich contrast, creating a tapestry of colors that feels almost surreal. It's as if nature has painted a masterpiece, inviting us to pause and appreciate its beauty. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of wildflowers and damp earth, a reminder of the life thriving in every nook and cranny. This is more than just a view, it's a reminder of the incredible power and artistry of nature, a postcard-worthy landscape that leaves an imprint on the soul. Standing at the edge, heart racing, I can feel the adrenaline coursing through my veins. Cliff jumping is not just about the height, it's about the thrill of the plunge. From 10 feet, it's a quick rush, a splash that leaves you wanting more. But when you hit 20 feet, it's a whole different game. The world below seems to pause as you leap, the air rushing past you, and for a brief moment, you're flying. The moment you hit the water, it's like being embraced by a cool, refreshing wave, washing away all fears. Each jump is a test of courage, a dance with gravity, and the reward is that exhilarating feeling of freedom. Whether you're a seasoned daredevil or a first-timer, the thrill of cliff jumping is an unforgettable experience that pushes you to embrace the wild side of life. Exploring Tangadan Falls during the dry season, from November to May, is truly an unforgettable experience. The water is crystal clear, making it perfect for swimming and capturing stunning photos. Trekking conditions are ideal, with dry trails that allow you to fully enjoy the lush surroundings without the worry of muddy paths. As you hike, you'll encounter breathtaking views and the soothing sounds of nature, creating a serene atmosphere. Plus, the vibrant flora and fauna are at their best during this time, adding to the beauty of your adventure. If you're planning a visit, aim for these months to make the most of your journey to this hidden gem.